If you're seeing this video, it might be time to upgrade your coffee bar. The machines I'm about to suggest are for folks who are looking to upgrade from a pretty basic setup. A pod machine, a French press, or maybe that coffee pot that your dad gave you 20 years ago. That being said, be sure you stick around until the end because I am going to rapid fire a list of machines that are going to be more at that intermediate level. Starting off with the TKO2, this machine is great for folks that are just getting a little bit deeper in their coffee experience. First off, it's just elegant. The menu is really clear and easy to navigate, and it looks really nice. If there are a lot of coffee drinkers in the household, you can program drinks for each person individually so everyone can order their favorite, and it's got a great preset options from lattes, cappuccinos, to espressos, double espressos, even steamed milk. For folks getting into the details of the espresso experience, you can see all of the factors that influence the flavor of your coffee, from the grind size, brewing temperature, and the water ratio. All of these features together feel like an amazing upgrade coming from a cheap coffee machine or those pod machines. Here we have the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo. This is an all-in-one semi-automatic espresso machine. That means that it can do everything for you so long as you're ready to engage with it, but it helps you out along the way. Starting off from the grind in the beginning of the process, it's got some simple grind settings that are easy to understand and manipulate. It's going to brew based off of its pre-programmed ratio, and it's got really powerful steam to get you good milk texture for your lattes. One cool thing that I really like on this machine is its ability to do cold brew. This is an uncommon setting with semi-automatic espresso. Ultimately, what's going on is that it'll brew the coffee at room temperature, so when you're going for an iced coffee either in the summer or, like me in the middle of the winter, your coffee is not going to get watered down when you add it to ice. It's just going to be nice, chilled, and pleasant. And of course, we had to include a Breville machine on this list. We often talk about Breville machines when we're helping new baristas find their setups because they are so beginner friendly. We chose the Touch and Press for this video because it has a really cool feature set for folks that are just starting their espresso journey. I like to think of this machine as a color by numbers espresso machine where it takes you through each step of the process of a semi-automatic sequence. It's going to dose for you, help you tamp, and then you'll move it along through the experience to get your coffee out on the end. And finally, it's got a smart milk system, so it's going to steam and texturize your milk just how you like it. As I mentioned earlier in this video, here are my recommendations for folks that are looking for a more intermediate level upgrade. In no particular order here, the Rancilio Silvia PID, the Diletta Mio, the Ascaso Steel Duo, the LELIT Mara X, and our final choice, the Rocket Appartamento. If you're looking for more inspiration for your home coffee bar, check out our Top Picks playlist where you see our recommendations in coffee machines for pour-over brewing and a bunch of other different coffee categories.